Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a story on TikTok. So first of all, what we have to do guys, we have to go on TikTok. And here we have to hit on this plus button which is middle of the screen. Once you're done with it, then here you will see post, story and templates. Just go with stories. You can record by using your camera and you can upload your pictures over here. So guys, I've added this picture and now I have some options. The first one is text option. From here I can add text over here. I can adjust my text size from here by moving this point. Now I am going to change its font and it's done. Same as the second option is for stickers. And the third one is for effects. You can add effects from here. Select your favorite one. And the fourth one option is for music. You can add music from here. For now I have done with my story and now I am going to post it. Once you're done with all these options, then you have to hit on your story. So guys, I've done with my story. Let's check it out. You can see your story by clicking your profile picture. Yeah, and that's it. So guys, this is how to add a story on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.